morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the pound dollar, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin gain 0.8% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil gained 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, today's major financial news.
The dollar jumped to a 7-week high on Friday and was on track to post its best week since September 2022, after a surprisingly strong jobs report for September led traders to cut bets that the Federal Reserve will make further 50 basis point rate cuts. A high-stakes corporate earnings season kicks into gear this week, with bullish investors hoping results will justify increasingly rich valuations in a US stock market near record highs. The case for strong US economic growth got a boost after labour market data came in far above expectations. The S&P 500 is up 20% year-to-date and stands near record highs. Oil prices rose on Friday and settled with their biggest weekly gains in over a year on the mounting threat of a region-wide war in the Middle East. Although gains were limited as US President Joe Biden discouraged Israel from targeting Iranian oil facilities.
And now let's review today's major economic events.
The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales will be released at 23:01 GMT. Japan's current account at 23:50 GMT. Japan's labour cash earnings at 23:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Eurozone's retail sales at 9 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.